If you want to learn how to create a branded email signature, then keep on watching because I'm going to show you step by step just how you can do it. Hey guys, my name's Ambrosia Carey. I am a salon owner and a marketing strategist for the beauty industry. Get ready for this. I'm going to show you how to create a branded email signature just by using two different tools. And you can use the free one or you can use the pro one. I'll show you the difference between the two. First, we're going to start out with Canva, and then we're going to move into Google Docs, and that's going to be really easy for you. I'm going to show you step by step just how you can create your very own. So let's get started. So we're first going to start out with Canva, and I'm going to open up an Instagram post in the square form. Basically, I'm going to drag and drop a shape, and the shape is going to be a circle, kind of emulating what it would actually look like inside of Instagram. I'm going to bring it to size, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose the color that I want that's branded, and I'm going to center it. The next thing I'm going to do actually is I'm going to choose an image. The reason why I want to choose an image is because I want my photo to be inside of this circle. I want to have the branded color behind me as a photo. So the reason why I like to use a pro Canva account is because I can erase the background instead of having to do it by hand. I have in the past done it by hand. Trust me, it's a lot of work, and it is worth it for me to have the pro account to do this. So I'm going to drag the photo over the top. Now I'm going to click on background remover, and it's going to erase the background for me, and it's going to leave it with that curated pink background for me. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and just download it, save it as a PNG file, and that's going to save directly to my computer. Okay, so once I finish that, I'm gonna open up a Google Doc, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put the title in it just in case I need to find it later for reference. And I'm gonna select table. Now the table I'm gonna go to is the second one over because it is a 1x2 table. And I'll show you why in a second why you wanna do this. So now that I've got the 1x2 table, I'm gonna just expand it a little bit. And I am going to go ahead and select on image. So I'm gonna drag and drop. Once I pull up my photo, I'm just gonna go ahead and resize my photo, and I'm going to move it. I'm gonna move the secondary table closer to the first table so it gives me plenty of clearance for my texting space. The next step just comes down to your own customization within your branding. So I'm going to use this space to actually enter in the information that I want. So I'm gonna just save you a little bit of time, and I'm gonna put my information in right now. So I'm starting out with my name, a little bit about what I do, and I'm gonna hyperlink everything into each space that I wanna send people to. So as you can see, as an example, I have YouTube, Instagram, the salon, and my coaching. So this is how you hyperlink. You highlight over the space that you want, go to the URL where you actually wanna send people, copy that URL. So I'm gonna go from my website here for my coaching services, and then I'll go back to that link spot, and then I'm going to just insert link into that here. Now that I've done all my hyperlinks, I'm going to highlight over everything and then choose the font color that I'm looking for to fit my branding colors. You can keep it the way that it shows up. Anytime you hyperlink something, it shows up in that bright blue color. So if you want to soften it or fit and cater to your needs, which is your branding, then I would suggest highlighting when you're done. Otherwise, it will automatically default to the blue. So just wait until you hyperlink before you choose your colors. So now that I've finished all the colors and I'm feeling good about that, I want to get rid of the border, because remember, there's a table around this whole thing. So in order to get rid of the borders, I have to tap on each side of the border and change the color manually to white instead of black. So that just takes a couple of moments, and then as soon as we're done with that, I'll be able to actually save this whole thing and put it into my email signature. Now that I have erased all the lines and made it white and all you can see is my photo and information about me, I am going to highlight the entire thing and say copy. Now I'm going to head over to my Gmail account. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go into settings and you can see the little cog there. If you open that up and you drag it down to the bottom where you can actually see where the email signature is, I'm going to erase what I used to have there, and I am going to go ahead and paste what I just created. So you can see it all shows up right there in the bottom, and then you just click save, and it's easy as that. It just makes your emails look a little bit more professional, and again, it helps people so they could just click into where you want to send them, and you don't have a lot of like miscellaneous text or whatever, and it puts everything together in just a nice little package. It makes it a little bit prettier looking. So hopefully you found value in this and this helped you out in some way, shape, or form. I know this is a brand new concept. Some of you guys are probably already doing this, but I just wanted to show you just how easy it is to create something like this. And something like this literally took me 15 minutes to make. So, and obviously edited down, you have like a less than 10-minute video, but I want to encourage you to try it for yourself and give me feedback and tell me what you had a hard time with or what you found so easy about it. So I want to make this as easy for you as possible so that way you can move forward and creating stronger, better marketing, branding strategies around your business. Make sure if you found value in this to click the like and subscribe button, and definitely hit the bell because every Wednesday I'll be sending you a brand new video on either marketing strategies or hair techniques. For more on Canva, if you missed this tutorial, definitely go check it out because I use a non-pro account to show you step-by-step how you can create something that fits your brand and just some shortcuts on what you can do in the future when you try using it. I'll definitely be creating more of these for you in the future, but comment below and let me know what you liked, what you found easy, what you want to try out, and if you want to learn anything more in the future. And I will see you guys next week when we go back into the technique side of things with hair. So take care, guys, and I will see you later.